This is Cosmo. She's a blue-fronted Amazon. She's 13 years old, and she's the newest addition to our little family here. Today is the second day that she's been out here in the gallery. This is our new tree that she'll get to hang out and watch people. I was watching her yesterday, and as people were going by, anyone who'd start whistling and start talking to her right away, she'll start talking back. She's a very social little bird. She's a nice little bird. Hey, you want to say hello?
Dad? There's 3 of them. Dad? Very good. Dad?
Okay. You're the bird. Cosmo's the bird. Cosmo's the bird. That's a good bird. Hey, that's a very nice little bird. Yeah, no, you come on. Come on. And, Amazon parrots, they can live anywhere from 60 to 80 years. So that's something to keep in mind when somebody is considering buying a parrot as a pet. Is that, will you be able to take care of them and ensure that they'll have somewhere when you are gone? Because a lot of times they'll outlive their owners, which happens quite frequently with parrots. Look at this. You're a good bird. You're a good bird. You're the bird.